You're about to go on a journey with me, and I have a treasure map in front of me right now. We begin at the beginning of a trail, and this trail is alongside of the coastline of the Atlantic Ocean. In fact, the trail is called East Coast Trail of Newfoundland. I show you the map, and you can see the twists and turns and the winding of the trail that eventually leads to a spot that looks like a peaked mountain and with a pool of water underneath it. And yes, X marks the spot. So we begin right now at the beginning of this trail, and to your right on a wooden post you see the sign East Coast Trail. It's a beaten down path that you can tell has been traveled many a times. And we are at the water's edge, but we're high up away from the water. High enough that we can't get down to put our feet in the water. But we can certainly enjoy watching beautiful waves coming in on shore, flowing over the rocks, and flowing back out into the ocean once more. The sun is shining and you can hear the birds chirping in the area. As we travel along this trail, to the left of you, you can see the ocean. And to the right is the thick of the woods, with trees all around. And you can smell the trees. There are spruce trees and fir trees. Occasionally you see some maple trees, birch, and a scattered pine tree. Everything is so green. As you travel along the path, you can see the beautiful green, lush grass that are scattered on either side of the trail. We stop for a moment and we admire the ocean there to the left of us. Oh, what a glorious day. And there's just the right amount of wind blowing in our faces, the nice cool breeze, and the hot sun above us. You couldn't ask for a more perfect day. We travel along this pathway